Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can integrate WordPress integration model for your platform. So basically what this model does is that you already have your platform which may be MAE or PE and you want user to sign up through WordPress website. So the advantage of using WordPress website is that you can have better look and feel, and even you can have your own billing system, and then within sign up flow, and there are thousands of WordPress plugins, so you have good control over sign up flow. So what this module does is that whenever user creates account on WordPress, and we give you one short code which can be used in any page or post. So you will create one login page on WordPress website with our short code. Okay, so this once you integrate that short code, so with when user visits that page on WordPress website, they will see one login link like this. So you can customize the text. So if user clicks on this link, okay, so if user clicks on this link, he will be automatically logged into Siberian system. So you can see your app, user can see the apps created. So this module will give access to Siberian platform. So whatever apps is created, or he may create new, whatever roles you define for a default user, he will have that access. So this module does not give controls based on apps. So it is like uh, control based on user access. So whatever access one user has, he will see all the apps. So basically it is making auto login link from WordPress to your Siberian platform. So this way you don't need, like, your user don't need to create account manually on your Siberian platform. So they can just follow any WordPress registration form. So like I have integrated this shortcode on this my product page, but you can integrate this shortcode on any page with your own content, and you can just give one link, and once the user clicks this link, he will be automatically logged into Siberian platform, and user account, all those stuff will be automatically created for the first time, and next time it will be automatically logged in into Siberian platform. So in short, it gives you more control. Advantage of using this model is to have better control over sign up flow, and once they logged in, it is same as using Siberian platform. So it just connects WordPress with Siberian platform. So uh, I'll talk about how to install it. So basically, once you buy this module, you will have two download files. So one is from WordPress side and another is for Siberian CMS. And you have to install one WordPress plugin that you will get it in WordPress, and then one Siberian module which has to be installed in your Siberian CMS platform. Okay, so first I'll talk about Siberian module installation. Once you install the module from back office, so you can install as a regular module from your, like, if you go to settings, updates and modules, from there you can install this module. Okay, and then you have to create one API user in Siberian site. So you have to go to back office users and API sections, and you have to add new user, and you have to give username as your WordPress website. So my current website, WordPress website, is nativeappengine.com. So please make a note that you just whether your site has www or not. So if it has, then you have to use that www.nativeappengine.com, or if it doesn't have it, then use it without www. So on my site there is no www, so I'm using it like naked domain. And first name last name you can give or you can ignore. You can give password, and this access you can ignore because we are not considering this as of now. So it's just you need to have proper username with the site name. So we do this to make sure that no third party access, third party user who already have our module can connect to your WordPress, sorry, can connect to your Siberian website. So it makes sure that only your WordPress website will be able to connect to your Siberian site. So that is why we are doing this. So first things, you have to create this API user and then save it. So install the module and create this API user with your site name. That's it. This is the setting required for sovereign site. And other thing is WordPress site. So same thing you have to do at WordPress site after installing the WordPress plugin that you will get after buying this module. Okay, so once you have this, uh, once you install this plugin, you will see one settings here, like one more menu will be added, Siberian CMS. So here you need to enter Siberian CMS URL. Here note that you have to give complete URL of your Siberian site where you have created this API user. So as it use backslash if it is not working, but you can ignore it. But just if it is not working, just try to give like this black backslash also. And here you can just customize the text that you want your user to see. So this text is like this demo link text. So whatever you type in here, it will be visible here. Okay, and then app key you can ignore, API user that you have created, and password. So these are the important settings that needs to be done, and you will get one uh, short code that is mentioned on our product page is like Siberian CMS short short code that you have to enter. Let me show you that. This is the short code that you have to copy and paste in your page, and you can paste it in any page that that is there on WordPress site. It can be post or page, and you can just put any content that you want to show. So generally flow is that you create one page, and using different WordPress plugins and modules, you can allow a user to sign up and then redirect to that page. So once the user is on this page, it is like dashboard kind of page you can create, and then you can give them a link to click. So once they click, they'll be logged into Siberian site. So setting is quite simple. Here you have to create API user, and here you need to create Siberian CMS URL and API user and password. And if these settings do not match, then it will throw some error. So you will not understand what is happening. So if there is any error, you need to make the settings right. And if you face any issues, you can contact us using this form on our website, or you can mail us on support at the nativeappengine.com. So, and this is the basic use case. But if you spend time exploring the possibilities, like you can connect with with WordPress CMS, CRM modules, or you can connect with membership plugins, or so many things. We have plans to integrate with WooCommerce shopping cart, but it is not yet done. If there is anyone interested, please do contact me. We can do this for additional fee. So there are so many possibilities, but as of now, this connects with WordPress site and Siberian platform, and it is not for app actually. It is for platform. So it will create account in your Siberian platform, not for app. So if you want to sync users within app, there is a different module on our site. You can just see in module section. So that sync the users within a single app, and this is for complete platform. Like users wants to create an app, and they can just sign up through WordPress and connect it to your Siberian platform. So hope it was useful and it was easy to understand. And if you have any question, please do let me know via comments. Thank you.